Hey guys, this is my author page on my books in the Amazon online store. So guys, hey, this is my latest book, Whispers of the Midnight Course. So that is the title of my ebook. So that is all my books. So we have ebook, we have paperback. So this one, guys, you can read this for free in Kindle Unlimited. This Whisper on the Midnight Course, and then From Rag to Riches is still here. It is also free to read. And here is our paperback children's activity, From Rag to Riches. So yan. And then we have also a story for children, paperback. This one also is 200 pages, and I created a 100 pages. This one is 100 pages. So ayan guys. So please put your customer's review, because if you put a customer's review here at the bottom of each book, whoever will buy, or whoever read this book will help me, guys, to sell more books and create more. And all the income here, I am sending it to the Philippines. And in the future, if this will become many, I mean, I could have many sales. Maybe I could help more youth that needed financially, who are willing to study in college. We have plenty in the Philippines that they cannot afford in college. So that is my aim. I hope I could help them. So please help me, guys. Let's help hand in hand. I know you can help me. Thank you, guys, and have a good day.